Good afternoon, P1 students. Today is Thursday and it's the 11th of June 2020. For today, we are going to review. So today we're just going to review what is push and what is pull. Alright, so again, today is Thursday, 11th of June 2020. So again, our learning target today is that I can review push and pull. Very good. So again, what is push? What is push? Push is when we try to move something away from us or from you. So when you try to move something away from you, so push is like this, push. And pull is that if you are going to try to move something towards you, closer to you, like this, pull, closer. So examples, what are the examples? Like this one, remember this? So we have this yesterday, right? So here, these are toys, and then these toys you can push or you can pull depending on what you want them to be. It's either away from you or closer towards you. Okay, so so David, which one is for which toy here that you can push? Push. Yes, very good. It's easy to push this one because there's a handle. What else? What else is easy to push? Push. This one too. And same with this. All of these toys are easy to push or pull. But for me, for teacher, this one is easy to push or to pull. And this one is easy to pull. This one is easy to push and this is easy to push also. But again, all of these toys, you can either push them or pull them. Okay. So, and same with this one. So this Amit is making a toy that he can pull using the string, right? Using a string.
Actually, that one
You can see. So this one you can. So this one, do not touch anything on the computer, please. So this one, here he is making a toy, and then there is a handle, so it's easy for him to pull. This is a Lego boat toy. And then this one, and Anita, she made a toy that easy to push. Look at this. There's a handle, right? Okay. So today teacher will tell you a story. You want to hear a story, teacher? So teacher draw.
She used a tape. Mom.
She used a tape. Okay. All right. So look at this one. So look at my drawing. Whoa! It's so cool, right? So this is me, and this is a dog, and this one is the rope. So what do you think I will do with the dog? Will I push the dog or pull the dog? Pull, right? Teacher will pull the dog. Very good. How about this? Here's a tree, and this tree is a mango tree. Yes, this is a mango tree. And there's a rope here too because here there's so many ants. So if I want to get the mango, what should I do? Should I push the rope or should I pull it so I can climb? Push or pull? Oh, very good. How about here? There's a log, like a big chunk of tree. So it's blocking the way. Should I pull it or should I push it? I can either push it or I can pull the log. Okay, so you want to hear a story? One sunny morning, my dog and I went to the park. We saw some trees and a big log. Here's the log. Big log. The tree was full of mangoes. So again, this is a mango tree. I climbed to it by pulling the rope. The teacher climbed the tree by pulling the rope. Yum, 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 yum. Mm, now I got some mangoes. But while I was going down and then walk here to get my dog because I tied the dog on the street, while walking here, I dropped all my mango on the other side. Uh-oh, of the log. So, and then here is a cliff. You know a cliff? Like drop off. Like if you are in the mountain and there's a cliff. Ooh, it's very dangerous. It's very high. So I have to push this log so I can get my mangoes that are stuck here. The end. So for today, teacher will not give you an assignment, but I'm going to ask you to draw, right? So I'm going to ask you to draw one more time like this, right? And if you like, you can make also it into a story, okay? So again, for your assignment, no, like I said, I will not give you an assignment, right? But it's only to drawing a picture. All right, that will be all. Thank you so much and have a nice day. Goodbye. Oh, I forgot your stars. Stars. Yay.
Oh, here's the